Guys, now we're gonna fix the string, right? So we're gonna go up to the top here first. What you wanna do first is remember to back the string off. Right, you have to remember to back it off at least about 3/4 of a turn. And now we can go down. We can find the snap string, which is right here. It's hard to pull out, but we gotta work in a really tight and confined space. So here we have our loop. What we need to do now is actually we're gonna just chop the string about here. It's a very strong steel string, and this one here is loose because it's snapped. So that one can go away. So now what we have to do is we have to make a loop, and we have to remember we have to go under. So it goes from the top under. The pressure of the string has to be wound up. So if we grab it with the pliers like this, and now just by hand, you start twisting like this. The loops should be pretty tight, like to each other. And you want to do about 3 loops, like this. And then it has to end flush with the half board, so it can't actually unravel. And then sometimes you have to pull it down a little bit to pop it on the pin, like that. And now it'll be good to actually cut it down a little bit more so it doesn't interfere. But now make sure it's routed correctly through the bridge, like that. And now if we pull it up, this one, let's listen, I'll do this one, listen to this one. We gotta match it to this note. So now at the moment, it's completely flat. And now listen, slowly, just do it slowly in a steady pace. It's coming. And now we're adding tension. This might be about a ton of pressure. And there it is. And there it is, pulled up. Now we can check down here. Let's have a look. Usually what happens, the loop actually tightens up, but if you do it correctly like this, it'll never unravel. So done. Now we technically have 2 strings on the B note. So we don't really, 2 is enough. 3 would be good, but 2 is plenty. So it's playable. See you guys.